Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your Bitcoin mining with Slush Pool, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your Bitcoin mining with Slush Pool, start by creating a Slush Pool account. Visit the Slush Pool website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify you are not a robot. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to activate your account. Once activated, log in to your Slush Pool account. Navigate to the Security Settings section of your profile. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Download an authentication app, such as Google Authenticator, if you haven't already. Scan the QR code or enter the code provided to link your account with the app. After setting up two-factor authentication, create a secure Bitcoin wallet. Choose a reputable wallet that offers high security features. Transfer your Bitcoin rewards from Slush Pool to your wallet regularly. Set withdrawal limits and enable IP whitelisting if your wallet supports it. Regularly monitor your Slush Pool mining performance and account activity. Stay updated on Slush Pool's security policies and best practices. Educate yourself about potential phishing scams targeting miners. Always double-check URLs before entering your credentials. Keep your mining software and hardware updated to prevent vulnerabilities. Consider using a dedicated mining rig instead of a shared computer for added security. Implement a secure backup plan for your wallet and mining settings. Lastly, maintain safe storage of your recovery phrases and private keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.